Welcome back to Barnes Basement Treasures. Another Death Pile review. With another special guest, Tigger. Go figure. Alright, so this first item, I got to do a little bit more cleaning on it, is a Fisher-Price plane. Definitely going to be sold as is for parts. We picked it up. It already had this part of the tail wing missing there. But it's the Fisher-Price Fun Jet. Looks like 1970. Fisher-Price toys. And it's still functional where
I would say the 70s because it looks like it's older than the one my brother had. And we got ours in the early 70s.
Yeah, well, it makes sense.
So, but the sticker looks older on the back.
Yeah, and I believe this might not be part of the plane itself, but it was in with it. It's got a little plane on one side and looks like a fuel sticker on the other side. So probably keep those two items together.
I'm not sure if it's Fisher-Price or...
It says Fisher-Price.
Oh, it does? Okay.
Yeah. Alright. Okay, he's done. Alright, so these are some small bowls. I think I originally picked these up with the intent of using them, but I have a lot. So these are Kensington, England, handcrafted. All in really nice condition. I do have to, there's a little stain on this one, so I just got to do a little bit more cleaning. And this one I'll have to note that the pattern is wearing on this one. But other than that, they're in really nice condition. Those will probably be listed this week.
What we have here is a Fisher-Price cash register. I know that it's not the register that people are looking for as often as, except for the change that goes with it because they lose them.
The change sells really well if you can find it.
This needs a little cleaning up, but it's in pretty good condition as far as stickers and everything does work.
And it works. Yeah, but unfortunately, no change. No sale.
Who knows, we may find some change somewhere.
Oh, it would be like winning the lottery to find that change. Because that's like the first thing that goes on these. It gets lost.
Well, maybe we'll win the lottery.
Alright, so these two items were actually from my personal collection that I decided to start selling off. I had wine glasses, drinking glasses. I'm obsessed with the color blue. Go figure. And and some of these things I've already sold. What I had done, I think I had sold them in sets of 4. And if there was a little bit left over, I would pull them to the side just in case there was a breakage during shipping and that. I do try to wrap them up pretty good. And as it turned out, there was no breakages on these. So these were the leftovers of these two things. So I may hold on to these. They're not part of a set anymore. The rest of the sets are gone. I think I had gotten them from a tag sale. This lady was selling her entire collection of cobalt blue glassware. I can't remember what I picked it up for. I think I paid like maybe $25 or $30 for the whole set. But I've been selling off pieces because I've got some new glassware. So I've been selling these. So these I will list. I've got 6 of them. I have not decided if I'm going to sell them in sets of 2. Like 3 sets of 2. Just mainly because I do get very nervous. The more you try to wrap up, like, you know, if I tried to do all 6, first of all, that would be super heavy. Because it was just one of these glasses is probably close to a pound. So it's likely this would be like a UPS item or possibly FedEx. And it just makes me so nervous to try to wrap and ship that many all at once. So likely I will be listing these as just 2. And then 2 more and 2 more. The only time that's going to backfire is if somebody says, hey, I want all 3 sets. It could backfire. But yeah, I feel like a lot of the time people will want just 2. You know, they're not going to need that many glasses anyway. So I do feel like offering them that way sort of gives people a choice if that's how they want to do that. Or maybe they want the full set. And in which case people can always contact me and see if we can work something out shipping wise in that. So you do the glasses or you want these?
You can do those.
Okay. You okay? Mm-hmm. All right. So here we have Fisher Price. Mm-hmm. Wait. Nope. Sorry. Tykes. Yeah, Little Tykes.
That one's Little Tykes.
But I think Fisher Price makes them, don't they?
No.
I think they do, but okay. I'll look that up later. Just a little person, which I do believe I have a set of 3 little people listed already. So I'll probably locate those in my bins, and I may just add him to the rest of them, and just retake the pictures and adjust the listing. I've had the other ones listed for a while, so I'm thinking maybe I'll just add him, new pictures, and then maybe leave it at the same price that it's already at. I thought they would do a little bit better than they have. Here we have Bob the Builder.
He builds.
And this one is...
Our cat doesn't like him. She tried grabbing him.
Hit K. Chapman 2000 Hasbro. So I've got to do a little research on him. I don't know if he still has shows on. I know my son is 10 and he would watch him on PBS quite often. So that, and this one I really thought might have been like one of the Muppet Babies. But I did a Google Lens on him, and apparently he was Tetley Tea. So it must have been something you got when you bought Tetley Tea, a gopher. So I'm not sure the history behind that. I guess I got to do a little more research on him. Okay.
And finally, we have 6 of these Christmas glasses. Around it are 3 different snowmen, one holding a Christmas tree, another sled with some snowballs next to it, and the final one has a candy cane with a Christmas gift.
Are those snowmen or polar bears?
I would say snowmen. Because of the roundness, 3 different round parts.
Yeah, I know.
I like my polar bears. I would know my polar bears.
I still think they're polar bears. That looks like a polar bear to me, but could be wrong.
You need new glasses too.
So do you.
Only because mine are broken.
Well,
they're snowmen.
That's a funny looking nose for a snowman.
It's whatever you shove on there. It's a big old lump of coals what it was instead.
And again, these are probably ones that I would sell as sets of 2 and work it out from there. But yeah, these are a little bit thinner glass than these cobalt blue ones, so I would be a little nervous on shipping if I was to do more than 2 at a time. So, okay, that's it for that round. Please like and subscribe, and we will continue on.
Peace be with it.